Hello, welcome to Looky Looky Loo Crafts. No intro sign today, guys, because I am doing an unboxing for TOHETO US. Yes, and I was so happy that they contacted me to do another unboxing. And if you all remember, TOHETO US was a unboxing that I did, two unboxings for lovely light boxes. And I really love my light boxes, so I am excited to check out this. And it also is a type of light, so it's going to be awesome. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, just give me 1 second. I'm going to double check my email to make sure I say everything that I need to say. Okay, all I have to do is tell you what it is. And this is a rechargeable video conference lighting kit. Okay, there we go. And I think it's going to be awesome for making videos. But I don't know, so we will try it out. Okay. Need other glasses. Okay, this says rechargeable. Yep, rechargeable video conference lighting kit with one cold shoe webcam lighting with 3 light modes and stepless 10 levels dimming. Oh, look at that. That sounds interesting. Well, I thought this would help with videos, but I don't quite know how it works. I am not super gadget smarts. So, but that looks very nice. Look at that. Okay, so let's open her up and see what we got. Open. Here we go. Look at this cute little box. I'm gonna have to save the box and see what I can do with it. Look at that. Okay, it comes with this charging cord. And let's see, where's the other end? It's the big one. Some phones take a little charger and some take the wider charger. This is the wider one. And let's see, this little light. Oh, comes nicely packaged. It's got a doodad. We'll see what the doodad is in a minute. Okay, so this clips on your, that peels off. I like to leave mine on. I may take it off. So this clips on your monitor. There you go. It's got that clip like that. And I wish I could show you my monitor, but I can't. My camera doesn't do that. Okay, so it's got a knob right here that turns. Okay. Right there is your charging port. Here's your plus and minus buttons and your power button. Let's see if it's on. Okay, so I will have to charge it. And this little baggie is some type of screw-on thing. I don't know where that goes. Well, we'll have to figure out how this works. Okay, it's 2 flat pieces. They're round. I don't know what those do. Well, we may have to look the book to see what those do. Ah. So, maybe it screws on there. Yeah, it screws on there for something. Maybe you just want to set it down low? I don't know. Well, we'll look at the paper and see in a minute. Did I turn you back on? Yes, you're on. Okay. Let's put my clip back on because, that's where I'm going to put it, right on top of my monitor. Okay. All of a sudden, I got the jitters. There we go. Okay. So it'll go like that and then clip on your monitor. All right. So let's plug it in and see if we can turn it on and check out the dimming situation here. TOHETO is a wonderful company, y'all. I'm very impressed with both my light boxes, and now this conference lighting kit is looking awesome. Okay, so let's put the plug in like that. Let's see if I can get this plugged in. Okay. Let's run on my computer. Okay, let's let it charge a minute. Do I have any charging lights? Yes, back here on the back is a little red light. So I'm going to assume when that turns green, I'm charged. Okay, and maybe we can turn it on like the phone and use it when it's charged. I don't know. So it has fill light parameter, has the model number, LED beads quantity 120 PCS, working voltage 5. I'm not going to read it all. Warm yellow, warm white light. Operation time 5 hours. That's good. Charging port type C. Okay. Connect the adapter. Connect the PC. Connect the power bank. Okay. It does 360, it says. Connect the power bank. All I got was these 3 pieces. I guess this is what they're calling a power bank. I wonder what this wheel does. Wheel tightens it up. Yeah. Okay, that's awesome. Let's see if I can read it. Okay, so It goes 360-degree rotation, and it does 160-degree up and down adjustment. So, yeah, you could turn it to go straight up or kind of on an angle to go down. Well, that's pretty awesome. You can put it where you want it. Get that light where you go. This might get rid of a lot of your shadows. Press the power button and hold 1.5 seconds to turn on off the lamp. Okay. Press power button until the desired color temperature change from 300K warm light color to 6500 white light color. Press the long press button from low brightness to high brightness. Oh, press the long press button from high brightness to low brightness. Okay. So, okay, let's hold it on. Okay, so this is the power button. There, look at that. Can y'all see that? That is bright. Okay, so, ooh, that's going to do a good job. Can y'all see how much lighter that is? If I hook that on top of my computer. Look at that. Look at the difference. So, yeah, I think this is going to be awesome. Look at that. Okay, so we got to hold it down some more. And turn down the brightness so it goes way dim. And then it goes way high. Y'all see it flickering and changing? I'm kind of looking through two pairs of glasses, so I don't know. So let's hold this down 1.5. And that cuts it off. 1.5 seconds, cuts it back on. Oh, I love it. I think I'm going to love it. And even if I don't want to put it way up there, I could hook it onto the side. Let's see, get rid of my coffee. There, look. If I hold it from this side, how can I get rid of my shadow? Oh, my coffee go. Well, there. It might not work for that. I'm not sure how it works. I've never had a video light before. But this is awesome. I'm going to love it. And I'm going to put it on the top of my computer. I'm going to put it on its brightest setting here. And just hold it up there a minute. Come here, monitor. Let's see how that works. I might have to get up. Yeah, I gotta get up. Watch, it won't fit on my monitor. My monitor is fat. Ooh, and dusty. Okay. Let me get it up there. Okay, I may need a little bigger clip. I don't have a thin monitor. But that's what it would look like up there. And I think that really brightens that up. And I do have a fatter clip that'll fit up there. It didn't come with the light. So if you don't have a thin monitor, you might need a thicker clamp. That's all. I mean, shoot, you could get those at the Dollar Tree. And I have this one with a little stand on it so I can stand it up. All in all, I love it. I think it's going to help me out with my videos. And it's a wonderful thing to have if you're going to make videos, isn't it? I push my monitor forward and I got to push it back. Okay, there we go, monitor. There we are. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. I'm going to peel this off so that you can see that the light is not wrinkly or anything. And it's going to be awesome, really. So, yes, I will leave the link below. I did not get a coupon code, but TOHETO is very reasonably priced, and there may be a discount on the website. Sometimes they do that when they have sales and stuff. So, go on over to TOHETO US and check out their little light box. This is a model JSKBL01, I think. It's the number right there. And you can see how it fits on top of a thin laptop. But this is my desktop computer monitor. So, yeah, I'll have to get a little bigger clamp, but that's fine. That's awesome. And I love the little box. You know, we crafters, we love the little boxes, don't we? So, this is it. Go on over to TOHETO US and check out what they got. They're really very professional and helpful, and I've had nothing but good dealings with them, and never any rudeness or anything like that. So yeah, check them out, guys. TOHETO US, and get yourself a video conference light for your videos. Okay, that's about it. That's all I could think of. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, do as the Lord will have you do. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye now.